Hello, I begin with a warm smile. Welcome to Hexagram 1.4. Why the hexagrams matter in daily life, bringing ancient wisdom into modern living. Begin with welcome to lesson 1.4. Why the hexagrams matter in daily life. Today, that is, we're going to explore how ancient wisdom can seamlessly integrate to our modern living. Firstly, let's consider what it means to bring ancient wisdom into today's world. I Ching, with its hexagrams, offer us timeless insights that are still relevant. These hexagrams aren't just historical artifacts. They are living symbols that resonate with the patterns and cycles we experience daily. Now then, imagine being able to tap into these patterns to make informed decisions or to improve your relationships. This hexagrams acts like a mirror. Should I say the hexagram acts like a mirror, reflecting back energies and mindsets we encounter. This awareness is key in helping us navigate life's challenges more effectively. Emphasize the importance of this point. So, as we dive deeper into this lesson, keep in mind that these hexagrams are not just abstract symbols. They are practical tools that can guide us toward a more harmonious and fulfilling life. As we conclude this slide, I want the audience to reflect on these thoughtful transitions. Overview. Hexagrams represent patterns and cycles that are active in everyday life. Each hexagram reflects a specific situation, mindset, or energy present at a given time. By identifying these patterns, we can make better decisions, improve relationships, and navigate challenges more effectively. The I Ching serves as a reflective tool, helping us choose the most harmonious path forward. As once said, look before you leap. Let's dive into what hexagrams really are and why they matter in our daily lives. Hexagrams are essentially patterns and cycles that we encounter every day. Each one represents a unique situation, mindset, or energy that we might experience at a given time. Identifying and understanding these patterns, we can make more informed decisions, enhance our relationship, and tackle challenges more effectively. I Ching, often referred to as the Book of Changes, acts as a reflective tool. It guides us in choosing the most harmonious path forward. Imagine having a compass that helps you align your choices with what truly matters. As we move on to practical application, think about how recognizing these patterns could transform your decision making, relationships, and overall well being. Practical application, decision making, one of them offers symbolic insight into current circumstances. Another application is relationships, helps us identify patterns of interaction and communications. Success, career, in terms of career, how the application will work. It will provide guidance during times of uncertainty or transitions. One more, health and well being. It encourages mindful reflections and balanced actions. It creates equilibrium. Let's explore how hexagrams can be practically applied to our daily lives. Or should I say, particularly applied to our daily lives. First, in decision making. Hexagram offers symbolic insights that help us understand our current circumstances better. Again, in decision making, hexagrams offer symbolic insights that help us understand our current circumstances just a little bit better. This can lead to a more informed and confident choice. Next, when it comes to relationships, hexagrams can highlight patterns in how we interact and communicate with others. By recognizing these patterns, we can improve our connection, foster healthier interactions. Regarding careers, hexagrams provide valuable guidance during times of uncertainty or transitions, helping us navigate changes with a clear perspective. Lastly, in terms of health, well-being, they encourage us to engage in mindful reflections and take balanced actions towards that result. This promotes a holistic approach to maintaining our mental and physical health. In a broader stance, each of these practical applications shows how integrating hexagrams into our lives can lead to more thoughtful, harmonious living. We'll explore more about this. We'll explore more about why this matters in our fast-paced world in the next section. Why it matters today. Why it matters today. In a fast-paced, unpredictable world, the I Ching offers a grounded perspective. Its hexagrams help us to see beyond immediate reactions, encouraging thoughtful and purposeful living. Need a purpose. By connecting with timeless wisdom, we align our actions with the natural flow of change. Now, let's delve into why the I Ching matters today. In our fast-paced and unpredictable world, we often react impulsively to situations. The I Ching, that is, offers us a grounded perspective. Again, the I Ching offers us a grounded perspective, helping us pause and reflect. Again, look before you leave. Its hexagram, that is, encourage us to see beyond our immediate reactions. This promotes thoughtful and purposeful living, which is essential in our modern age of constant change. By connecting with its timeless wisdom, we can align our actions with the natural flow of change, leading to more harmonious outcomes. Remember, embracing this ancient wisdom can truly transform our approach to life challenges and decisions. Quick quiz. What is a hexagram most likely in function? Is it a puzzle, poem, mirror of changing conditions, or is it a zodiac sign? Question number two. How can the I Ching help with decisions? It tells the future precisely. Uh, it provides symbolic insight and guidance. Uh, it judges right from wrong. And lastly, it always says yes or no. Which of those answers? Question number three. When our hexagram is especially useful, you feel like when you feel certain, when you're watching television, during moments of uncertainty or change, after completing a project. Give it a friendly and engaging tone here. All right, everyone, let's test your understanding of I Ching with a quick quiz again. Don't worry, this is just for fun and to reinforce what we've already discussed. Pause here a moment. Let you think about it. That is, after each question. Now there's question one. What is the hexagram most lack in function? Is it a puzzle, a poem, a mirror of changing conditions, or zodiac sign? Which one? But to emphasize the key idea is remember, talking about how hexagram reflect the dynamic nature of our circumstances with the indicators. Now, moving on to question two. How can the I Ching help us with decisions? Or should I say, how can the I Ching help with decisions? Does it tell the future precisely? Provide symbolic insight and guidance? Judge right or wrong? Or always say yes or no? Which one? Would encourage you to reflect on the previous content. Think about how we discussed the value of symbolic insight in decision making. Symbolic insight plus decision making. Finally, question three. When our hexagram is especially useful? Is it when you feel certain? When watching television? During moments of uncertainty or change? Or after completing a project? Said our hexagrams are most helpful during times of change and uncertainty. Conclude with a positive note. I want to say this. Great job, everyone. This quiz somewhat highlights the core concepts of the I Ching's practical applications. That's what this module was about. Let's keep these ideas in mind as we explore further.